Once upon a time, I was all alone. How you like me now? Do I turn you on?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If it is your first time here, welcome. My name is Naledi. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning back again. I'm super excited for this tutorial. Like, I've been waiting for it the whole week. Like, I've been waiting to film it the whole week. So basically in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this look. It is like a pink Barbie vibes. As you can see, I'm wearing a pink shirt to go with the theme and some pink eyeshadow. This was super easy to create, and it's also easy to follow. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieve this look, then do keep on watching. But before that, please subscribe to my channel. I'm on my way to 500 subscribers, and honestly I cannot wait. You guys are amazing for all your support and love, and I see everyone that comments in my comment section, everyone that's always giving me love. I literally see you, and I am grateful. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so now I'm gonna prime my face, and just gonna go in like that a little.
Now do I turn you on?
So next up, I'm gonna go in with my Revlon Candid Foundation.
Show me what you want, give me what you want.
And the next Can't Stop Won't Stop Foundation. And then I'm gonna go in with my foundation brush and blend it out. It was so clean. Okay, and then I am going to move on to eyeshadow, and I'm gonna do my lids first, and I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer over here. We're using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and this is in the shade 3013. For eyeshadow today, I feel like going with something more dramatic. Like, I want drama. You know, ibatla drama. Today we're doing a Pink Barbie eyeshadow tutorial. So I'm gonna go in with these two eyeshadow palettes, and these are from Trick Cosmetics, the Night Wind, and then this is from Scarlet Hill, Mr. Price eyeshadow palette, and this is I think this is the nude one. I can't remember the name of the palette. So yeah, I am first gonna go in with a transition color. I'm gonna go in with this. And then after that, I'm gonna go in the Night Wind palette with the shade Hickey and High. What did I say? I said Hickey. I meant high key. And I'm gonna go in my crease. I'm gonna switch up the brush to something that's a bit more defining and packing. And I recently bought this brush from Essence. I zoomed in my camera, you guys. It might be a bit too close. I feel like it's too close. But so that you guys can actually see my eyeshadow. Like the way I'm doing it. And this is the Essence eyeshadow brush. And I think I'm gonna love it. yeah, eyeshadow brush. So this will help like to pack in the color properly. As you can see, it's so white, and I am sure it's gonna go like, yeah, it's gonna go dark. So I'm gonna pack it with these two. I'll just pack it as I go. Depth, no depth. And to blend it out, I'm going to move with my blending brush, and this one is from Color. It's more like a fluffy brush, as you can see. It's so much harder to zoom with the ring light because everything's so overexposed with the ring light, I mean. So yeah, then I'm just going to blend it out so that it's not too harsh. I'm gonna go in with the burgundy eyeshadow palette. This is the Maybelline one with this burgundy kind of. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with the Essence You Better Work palette, and I'm gonna go in with the lightest shade to cut my crease.
Show me what you want, give me what you want.
Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with this shade over here. And I'm gonna pack it there. And then after that, I am gonna go in with this eyeshadow palette. And this one's from Scarlet Hill, and I'm gonna pack in this lighter pink over here. Okay guys, and then next up I'm gonna line my eye. So I usually just draw a line, then after that I connect it. Next up I'm going to go in with my mascara. Okay, so next up I'm going to be highlighting and contouring. I put on my lashes off camera. Okay, I'm going to highlight. And I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 030. What I'm going to do is I'm going to blend it out with my foundation brush. And to contour, I'm going to go in with my contour stick.
How you like me now? Do it, turn you on.
And to contour, I'm going to go in with this Pro Contour brush. And this is from Urban Studio. They also fall under Color products. As you guys can see, I really love Color brushes. And this is perfect for blending like that contour. As you can see, like that. Ooh. Okay, I think while I contour, I'm gonna set the powder. And I'm gonna set it with the Maybelline Master Fix powder. gonna blend in by my nose.
Once upon a time, I was all alone. How you like me now? Do I turn you on? Now I got you drunk, hiding from the road.
And I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner. This is from Maybelline, and this is Maybelline Colossal Extra 12-Hour Extra Black eyeliner under my eyes just to complete the look. After that, I'm gonna go in with this eyeshadow brush over here just to use that purple color again, this one right here, to go underneath. And then I'm still gonna go in with the mascara underneath. Okay, for lips, I'm using this brown eyeliner and it's from Essence. And I'm just gonna lip line. Sorry, I meant lip liner, sorry. I'm using the Essence lip liner and this is the Casual Pencil 08 Teddy. Now you guys, to all my subbies, you guys know I always use lip gloss. And in this tutorial, I just felt like trying new stuff, you know. As you can see, very dramatic, new concealer, new like a lot of things. So we're gonna go with nude lips. I hate nude lipsticks, but for this one, honestly, I just want to try. Like, this is the Stay Matte lipstick, and it is in the shade, I'm gonna tell you guys now, 02 Duck Face. Now it's a matte lipstick, so obviously it's gonna dry and matte. But it's not that bad. Like, I've been running away from nude lips and stuff like that. But it's not that bad. Obviously, like, if you have my kind of shaped lips, dark on the top and then light at the bottom and it's a bit thick, try lining your lips first. So I'm first gonna go in with the contour powder just to set in my contour. And I'm gonna go in with this shade over here because I'm scared if I go with something with this dark one. This, ooh. I'm traumatized. It's really dark. Okay, I'm just gonna go in a little bit because I feel like I went in too much. There it is. So as you can see, it's very pigmented, so you literally need like a little. I'm gonna reverse contour and I'm gonna go in with this just underneath there, like this, just to contour this. It'll probably have been better with like a brush, but I can't find the right brush to do that job, so you literally just go underneath like that. Underneath where you just contoured. And it's just really gonna, like, you know what I'm saying? I mean, Essence came through with this lipstick. I think I'm gonna buy the whole collection. I really am, like, I am, definitely. And I'm gonna highlight my nose. Sure. What the fuck? What the fuck? Wow. It's not that bad after all. And that contour, guys, I'm feeling myself. I'm so proud. This is me going out of my comfort zone. I am always like, when I tell you, always going for really soft glams because I'm trying to play it safe. And I was like, sis, who are you playing it safe for? Like, life is too short, you know? Like, life is way too short to play things safe. For one? For who? For why? I don't want to save my face.